Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure crash reporting with Firebase Crashlytics for iOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure crash reporting with Firebase Crashlytics for iOS, start by creating a Firebase project. Visit the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Click on Add Project and follow the prompts to create a new project. After creating your project, click on Add App and select the iOS icon. Enter your iOS app's bundle ID. You can find your bundle ID in your Xcode project settings. Optionally, enter your app's nickname and the App Store ID if you have one. Click Register App to proceed. Next, download the Google Service Info.plist file. Move this file into your Xcode project directory. Open your Xcode project and drag the Google Service Info.plist file into the project navigator. Ensure you check the box to copy items if needed. Now, install the Firebase SDK using CocoaPods. Open your terminal and navigate to your Xcode project folder. Create a pod file by running the command pod in it. Open the pod file in a text editor. Add the Firebase Crashlytics pod by including the line pod firebase/crashlytics. Save the pod file and return to the terminal. Run the command pod install to install the specified pods. Once the pods are installed, open the .squirkspace file created by CocoaPods. In your app delegate.swift file, import Firebase at the top. Call Firebase app.configure in the application _did finish launching with options method. Next, enable Crashlytics in your project's settings. Go back to the Firebase console and navigate to the Crashlytics section. Follow the instructions to enable Crashlytics for your iOS app. To test your Crashlytics setup, add a deliberate crash in your app. Insert the line fatal error, test crash, within a button action or view did load method. Run your app on a physical device or simulator. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.